Hey, it's Grady at Twin Creek Audio back in the studio today. I haven't done a guitar demo in a while, so I thought today I would show you this Hondo Deluxe. It's an H732ML model. These were only made like this between 1980 and 1982. This one does appear to be all original, and to me it really has a nice neck shape, it plays great, and the stock pickups in here sound really good. So let me show you some close-ups of this, and then I'm going to play it so we can hear what it sounds like. Okay, here she is sitting in a chair. This one, it did come to me in a case, but it's not the original case. I'm not going to do the dramatic case opening shot or anything. I'm just going to show you in detail what this guitar looks like. It's beautiful. It's not a laminate body, but it's, it's laminate, but not in the way that you would think of. Certainly not a plywood guitar. Nice rosewood fingerboard. And here's the headstock. Now, when I've looked these up, they call this a Hondo 2 Deluxe series, but it does not say Hondo 2, it just says Hondo on the headstock, so I'm not sure why that is. But as you can see, really nice rosewood fingerboard, and it's just a beautiful guitar. It looks like it should be a set neck guitar, but it's not. It's a bolt-on. Let's flip this over, take a look at the back of it. So you can see that the side wings there are a solid piece of wood. So all these are solid pieces of wood that are laminated together vertically like this. And then of course there's the neck plate where the bolt-on neck attaches. This has the original strap buttons that look like that, like a little bullet, which are pretty cool. And the wood is absolutely gorgeous on this guitar. It doesn't weigh that much, but it's not featherweight either. Let's take a look at the back of the headstock. Let's try to move the camera smoothly. There we go. Those are the original tuners. If I was to keep this one, which of course this one's on loan to me, but if I was to keep it, I would put a set of Godos on this. But other than that, I would leave everything else alone. Flip this back over. I'm not sure if this bridge is the original bridge. It looks like it's newer than the tailpiece. So the tailpiece, I'm guessing, is original, and this bridge is a replacement. If anybody knows, let me know. But I know that the bridges on a lot of guitars that were made in Korea and places like that, there in the early 80s, they had a slightly different style tune-o-matic bridge than this. So my guess is this is maybe a replacement part on this guitar. So there's the close-ups for you. She sounds great and plays great. And here's the amp I'm using and the amp settings that I have, using this Hotone Nano Legacy floor amp on the A channel, which is the British Invasion. It's kind of a Vox style, voiced that way like a Vox. I don't have any reverb and no boost on, and I'm running it through this little Vox speaker cabinet. It's a custom speaker cabinet with a 10-inch Vox speaker, and I have that mic'd with the Senneheiser 421 there. It's about an inch from the grill. I have it kind of aimed in between the cone and the edge of the speaker. All right, let's check this guitar out. Normally I start with both pickups, but this one, the neck pickup position on this guitar sounds really good, so I'm going to actually start out with the neck pickup today. So I'm really happy with the neck pickup on this guitar. It sounds really good if you want jazz or even some blues. It sounds really, really good. But let's go ahead and try both pickups now. I do really like the sound of both pickups on this guitar, and I like the neck pickup on this more than most guitars with two humbuckers. Usually I won't use the neck position by itself that often, but on this guitar, neck pickup sounds great. Both pickups sound fantastic together too. Let's try the bridge pickup now. This is such a cool guitar. I picked this thing up. It was leaning over there in the guitar stand against the back wall. It's been over there for a while. I pick it up and play it every once in a while. I picked this up today, getting ready to make this video. Pulled out the tuner. This thing was still in tune. This has the original tuners on it, which, you know, on my Memphis LP 102, I replaced those with some Godos. I think this guitar might still be a candidate for that, although this thing stays in tune like it is. It's managed to stay in tune through this whole demo with me bending strings and everything else. So I'd say this is a pretty cool guitar. It looks cool. There's not that many exactly like this out there. Just an awesome guitar. So I've still got a few more guitar demos coming up though, and I did do some bass demos not too long ago, so if you missed those, go back on this channel. There's at least 25 guitar demos, a couple of bass demo videos. So check those out if you're looking for more guitar videos. Also, make sure to check all the links in the video description for ways to help support this channel, as well as liking this video, or other videos if you watch them, and subscribing to the Twin Creek Audio YouTube channel. I hope you all enjoyed the video and that you all have an excellent day, night, evening, weekend, weekday, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, whatever it is you're having. Have a good one, and thanks so much for watching.